Hello everybody and welcome back to my gardening channel, and today I'm going to be planting out my summer runner beans.
Here they are, they're called Scarlet Empire. Normally I grow Scarlet Emperor, but I'm going to be growing those as well, but this year I thought I'd have a little bit of a change. I don't know if they're going to be anything like this picture on the packet of all these bright colours, but anyway, it's always good to make a change, isn't it? So I'm going to be planting these. And I'll plant these about 1 inch deep in this general purpose seed and cutting compost. It's quite useful, one of my favourites. So if I put in this 5-inch pot here about 5 seeds, that sounds appropriate, doesn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, just lay them nice and flat. And 5. Okay, so that's that. Cover them up. We want these about 1 inch deep. That's about right for this size of seed. Quite often, the bigger the seed, the deeper you plant it. So a runner bean seed, this size should be about 1 inch. So in that goes. A little drink just to get it going, and I'll keep this quite moist. Now they should come through in 7 to 10 days. Let's put a label in so we know what's what. That should come through 7 to 10 days. I'm going to put this in a heated propagator underneath a grow light, which I quite often do. It helps things grow so much faster and so much healthier, really. So off it goes, and we'll see how we get on.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, give me a share, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.